You see how simple it is to make buns? Like quack, 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 quack. Nigerian buns. Very indulging. Super, super indulging. This is my signature. It has to open like this. Hi, darlings. Who is craving for Nigerian buns? This is a very quick one. Small quantity and a quick one. This is nutmeg, brown sugar, powdered milk, salt. Have I added baking powder here? No. Hold on. Hold on. Let's add some baking powder. Now we have our dry ingredients properly combined. Let's incorporate the wet ingredients, okay? So I start with butter. Oh, this egg is not fresh. It's not so fresh. That's vanilla butternut. I want to replicate this recipe. It's so simple. So far, this is what we have, right? Time to add water. It's better to add bit by bit. That way you have control on the amount of water you're adding. Just a little more water. Few more drops. Perfect. No more. I just eyeballed every ingredient in this recipe. There was no accurate measurement of anything. This is not meat pie, so I can mix it. And because I'm mixing it this much, I'm not gonna let it sit for a long time. Okay, so while the oil is heating up on the fire, let me just go ahead and mold out the buns into the shapes I want. I just want to have it small, small, small. All right, darlings. Let's go fry these ones because the oil is hot enough. So if the oil is too hot from the beginning, it's gonna get brown so quickly, and it might not be cooked on the inside. The buns are ready, golden brown. My buns is done. My neighbors are waiting to buy these buns because the sweet aroma just saturated the entire environment. They won't buy. We won't buy. You never done. Like, calm down, guys. All right, darlings. My buns is ready. You see how simple it is to make buns? Like, quack, 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 quack. Nigerian buns. Very indulging. Super, super indulging. This is my signature. It has to open like this.